गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेरी वार्म वेलकम। एक ऐसी खबर जो आप लोगों ने अभी तक नहीं सुनी होगी वो आप लोगों के सामने लेकर आया हूँ। खबर सुनने के बाद अगर खबर अच्छी लगे तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा, क्योंकि लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे हैं। तो एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा। खबर ये है कि राजीव गांधी असैसिनेशन में जो कन्विक्ट हैं एजी परारीवल्लन सीक्स डिटेल्स ऑन अर्ली रिलीज of Sanjay Dutt. Bombay High Court issues notice to SIC. Bombay High Court had issued the notice to the State Information Commission to respond to the plea filed by AG Pararivallan, a convict in Rajiv Gandhi assassination case, seeking details on the early release of Bollywood actor Sanjay Dutt, who was a convict in 1993 Bombay serial blast case. Bench of Justice K.K. Tatat and R.I. Chagla also permitted Paravalan to bring on record details of the affidavit of the Ministry of Home Affairs informing the Supreme Court of the stance taken by Banwari Lal Purohit, Governor of Tamil Nadu, on the pardon and release of Pararivallan. Pararivallan was convicted to life imprisonment at the age of 19 for aiding in making the bomb that was responsible for the assassination of the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. He is presently lodged at Pural Central Prison in Chennai. His petition states that he had sought for Dutt's information from the Yerwada prison authorities in March 2016 through a RTI application requesting to know if the central and state government's opinion was taken before deciding to grant Dutt early remission. मामला है 6 साल के लिए सज़ा थी, 5 साल तक के लिए घट गई और कई ऐसे मौक़ों पर परोल के चलते बाहर निकल कर आए, जिसकी वजह से ये एक पिटिशन फाइल की गई है जो खबर निकल कर आ रही है, जो मैं आप लोगों के सामने पेश कर रहा हूँ. आफ्टर ही रिसीव्ड नो रिप्लाई फ्रॉम द प्रिजन एज वेल as the appellate authority, he filed an appeal before the SIC, which responded a vague manner compelling him to approach the High Court. His plea in the High Court through Advocate Nilesh Uke was filed seeking direction in the SIC and Yerwada prison authorities to provide him the relevant information. आपको मैं नोट्स पढ़ के बताता हूँ क्या है पूरी खबर, पूरी बात. It is pertinent to note that though the subject matter relates any on the disclosure of specific information, however, if the information sought for is provided to the petitioner, then what will go in a long way in facilitating the petitioner's own remission process, coupled with the fact that the Honorable Supreme Court of India is examining the prospects of the release of the petitioner herein. Petitioner is not concerned about the extraordinance of the consideration, if any, in the case of Mr. Sanjay Dutt by the jail department at the each stage of release, remission, parole, furlough, and the petitioner herein neither interested in sending Mr. Sanjay Dutt behind the bars for the remission release granted to him if were found granted contrary to law by the authorities. However, it is essential to demonstrate to this honorable court as to why the PIOFAA are funding away from the providing the above mentioned 33 documents, the fourth rightness with which they have filed the affidavit before this court and before the Honorable State Information Commission is not show when they are asked to disclose, provide the relevant 33 documents, that too in the era of transparency. तो ये एक बड़ी बात निकल कर आई है. इसके क्या रेसिप्रोकेशंस रहेंगे ये आने वाला वक्त बताएगा, लेकिन एक बड़ी खबर संजय दत्त रिलीज से राजीव गांधी के असैसिनेशन में जिनका हाथ था, जो कन्विक्ट है एजी परावरन, ही आस्क्ड द डिटेल्स ऑन अर्ली रिलीज ऑफ संजय दत्त. तो फिलहाल एक बड़ी खबर, कुछ और खबरों के साथ फिर जुड़ूंगा. धन्यवाद.